Hi guys, this is Barnes. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Chanel Classic card holder that I recently purchased on a layover in Paris. This is actually my first luxury purchase and definitely my first time in a Chanel store. I've been wanting this card holder for about a year now, and I was recently watching one of the YouTubers that I'm subscribed to, and she was doing a Paris vlog, and she purchased the same card holder with the same hardware that I'd wanted. And she was kind enough to put the details of the store that she went to, so I was able to go there on a recent layover. So I'll give you some details about getting the VAT back and just the whole experience, and details about the actual card holder. So on the Chanel website, they call it the Classic card holder. On the actual receipt, it does say "O card holder." The suggested retail price is $550. The one that I got was black, and it is grain, calfskin, and gold tone metal for the hardware. It is 2.9 by 4.1 by 0.08 inches. And I'll put the details for the actual store that I got the card holder from, so if you happen to be in Paris, you can check it out. It was a pleasant enough experience. I arrived first thing in the morning at 10 because I got in at 6, so I just walked around Paris, did some sightseeing, and then headed on over there. It was easy enough to find. It's actually on a street with a bunch of luxury stores, of course. The Hermes store was there, and I only really noticed that because there was a line of people outside, which I thought was interesting. So the actual card holder cost 395 euros, and the VAT refund was 51.25. So the total that I paid for the card holder is $343.65 euros, which works out to be $388.65. So that's actually a pretty significant difference from the quoted price of $550. I don't know if that's how much, well, I'm assuming that is how much it costs in America. So it's actually cheaper if you're on vacation in Europe somewhere to get it there, because you also get the VAT refund as well. So the VAT refund was actually pretty easy to get. So when you make your purchase, they'll ask you for your passport. They usually know that you're, well, not from France. So you'll get that. They give you a form with the code that you can scan when you get to the airport. There are there's a couple kiosks right in the departures, and there's an actual stand that you can go up to and get cash back. If you do it at the kiosk, you get the money back on your card. So you scan that, and if everything's fine, you get a green check mark, and you can just go on about your business. If it's not fine, you get a red check mark, then you have to go and talk to someone at the counter, and they'll verify the actual purchase. Associates gave me just the receipt. It comes in a cute little receipt holder like so. And this is the actual box right here. It says Chanel on it. It's pretty banged up because I actually just threw it in my tote because I didn't want to walk around with it when I was sightseeing. This is the contents of the bag. And this is the packaging. And let's see if we can get this off here. There we go. And that was upside down. So there it is. It says Chanel on it. Another Chanel card. Let's see what's in here. This just looks like care instructions or information about the actual product. Not that interesting. And then there's a little felt pouch in here. So we'll take that out. Is there anything else in here? No, this is empty. So that is what that looks like. It says Chanel on there. And then this is the card holder. So it's just like a nice case to hold it in. And I, of course, like I said before, I got the gold hardware because I love everything gold. This is just a close-up of the leather. It's like the calfskin leather, which is the more durable of the materials that they have. And then we'll open this up. And this is what the inside looks like. Semi not focusing. So it has the Chanel logo on there. Gold hardware as well up here for the snap. And then on the inside it says made in France. And then it has the authenticity card. And then the interior is burgundy. Then it has a slot here which is just black. I'm going to switch out my normal card holder and put the items in here, and then I'll be okay. So for reference, this is my old card holder. I got it from Target, so it's whatever Target brand. It looks like it's the Marina brand, and I feel like they have these every season. They have some sort of card holder, and this was pretty cheap. It was like under $10. I've had it for like over a year. It's actually awesome in functionality. So I really like this, but I wanted something a little bit fancier, something to, I don't know, remind me of a moment in my life and like graduating and all that stuff. So that's why I got the Chanel card holder. So I've switched out everything, and this is what it looks like with everything in there. So in the first pocket, I just have my Chase credit card, which I use for 99% of my purchases. And then I have about 5 other cards in the main holder part. And then I have a few bills here. I think about just like 10 or so bills. And then you can see the side. That it actually is pretty slim, which is what I wanted. I didn't want an actual wallet because I don't like the bulk of wallets and I don't carry that many things with me. So there's still plenty of space if you wanted to stuff it with something, you could, though obviously it's probably not recommended. And this is my other card holder. It has a slimmer form factor. It's like pretty much half of the size. And sorry, because I keep on looking at the actual viewfinder versus the actual camera, so I'm like putting this all over the place. All right, so that is it. If you guys have any question about this, there are obviously a ton of YouTube videos and reviews about this card holder, but if you have anything specific about my experience or what I actually think about it, coming from a non-luxury purchasing person, then let me know. I will see you in the next video, and if you enjoyed this one, definitely subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.